Say hello.
Hello.
You might find a new hobby and want to share with the world. Ali, go ahead. You find it funny? You can do it to the other ear? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Then look. You might love music, so you might figure out a way to make music within your ears. Isn't that smart? Come here, your type. You can do it?
No.
Try.
No.
Try.
Ik erg pas.
Me try.
J'essaye.
No.
Yeah, you know it.
Ako say mo yan.
Wow, la lumière.
So how was your first, Maya, how was your first day at school?
Quoi?
How was your first day at school? C'était très bien passé ou pas? Jamoy, how was your first day at school?
My first day at school?
Pourquoi il y a des petits poils?
How was your first day at school?
First day at school is
You understand the question? Yes, no?
yeah.
The answer? It was okay. You had fun.
Okay. Really okay?
It was? It was okay? You had fun? You like your teacher?
Yeah.
And your teacher is the director, your teacher the principal of the school. So I'm happy for being at the principal class. And you sit down where? At the front or at the back? Or in the middle? Where you sit down? You're being interviewed, you watch TV.
May sit down.
Where?
Friend.
In front?
Friend.
In front? In front of the teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here, tell me where you sit down. You sit down in front too?
Oui.
Beside the teacher?
Quoi?
You sit down beside the teacher?
Yeah.
À côté de la maîtresse? Devant la maîtresse ou pas?
Oui. Devant?
Devant la maîtresse?
Oui.
So she sit down right just in front of the teacher. Are you happy?
Oui.
That not sound like you're happy, Maya. Look at me. That not sound like you're happy.
Hey.
And Maya, her teacher is Jamoy's grade 1 teacher. And this teacher, she's awesome. She's awesome. I didn't have no problem with her.
Madame Gajeline?
No, Madame Bohic.
Moi, j'ai Madame Boris en CP. Là, je suis en CE2. Non.
No, not yet. Yeah,
Je suis en CM2.
No. I can't even see. Viens là. Wait, see, I look ragged the hand. Viens là, Jamoy. Stop. Don't do it again. You're gonna hurt yourself this time. Don't do it again.
Mais Alex, il fait qu'il sauter comme ça.
Oui, parce que Alex, il arrive à faire très bien, mais Jamoy, non. Laisse-moi voir tes bras, Jamoy.
J'ai peur de me casser un bras.
Mais oui, moi aussi. You just drop off at the trottinette because he might jump. Ici, là, ça va, c'est pas cassé. Anyway, I'm waiting on my friend. Turn back this way. Oui. But be careful, Maya. See, I make my sunglasses with me. Voila, this is more like it. Hey, guys. Maya behind me. I'm waiting on my friend. I'm going to her house this morning. Matty can sleep a little bit without them too. Nice picking me. Yeah, this morning is Saturday morning. I'm going to my friend's house now to do her hair. I'm going to braid her hair. So I'm waiting for her. And I'm taking Jemoy and Maya with me because you have a son the same age as Jemoy, so Jemoy can get to play with him while I am doing her hair. Well, that's it for today. That's the planning for today until in the evening when Matt wakes up. We'll see what we're going to do from there. Alright, come along with me. I'm finally at my friend's house now. We're going to do the braid. I'm going to braid her hair now. So I'm just going to show you clippings of me braiding her hair. And then you will see the after. You will see the end result.
C'est bon?
Non, c'est pas bon. Ah ouais, tu l'as pas pris. Ouais.
C'est joli comme ça, non Maya? Il est où Diego? Va aller jouer au football avec Diego dimanche. Allez, descends de là, tu vas lui faire mal. Wow. Everybody think they're my brother. Man think they are brothers, but no, they're not brothers. They're just two friends picnic. Diego, prends une photo avec Jemoy.
Après.
Non, maintenant.
Prends une vidéo.
Allez, Jemoy, tu prends une photo avec Jemoy. Diego,
Prends une vidéo.
pourquoi une vidéo? Allez.
Vidéo.
Oui, une vidéo.
Ah,
I asked him to take a picture. Now he wants to do a video. C'est bon?
oui. Attends, comme ça.
Arrête de faire n'importe quoi.
Il fait chaud.
Merci. Allez, vite. Look for Supergirl now. Allez, Supergirl. Poor Jamal. The Supergirl? We now have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. The 1,000 now, no? Thank you. Jamal et Maya, merci. Thank you.
Thank you. Au revoir.
Mathieu, tu vas dire thank you?
Big up.
To the 1,000 subscribers, thank you very much. We finally reached 1K. We appreciate it.
Au revoir.
And we love you guys.
You're not asleep? I waited to the 2,000 then.
Alright, we're going to set one next go to 2,000. Help us get to 2,000 subscribers now. Should I put it to 1,500 first? We're not be too greedy. 1,500. So help us get to 1,500 subscribers. But we are super excited to the 1,000 subscribers. So soon at 1,500. There you have it. The dinner is served. This plate is for Maya. Dinner is served. And this is steak with French fries. But not our potato wedge. Not potato wedge, but potato dice. But this is the French national dish. Steak and fries.